Matsapha United captain Vusumuzi Zungu says as players they are working hard not to lose another cup match against Manzini Sundowns. Zungu said this during their training session at Malkerns where they were preparing for the quarterfinals of the Swazi Bank Cup.
Manzini Sundowns knocked Matsapha United out of the Ingwenyama Cup tournament, and this coming weekend, the two teams will meet again in the quarterfinals of the Swazi Bank Cup, where Matsapha United will be looking to avenge their previous beating.
Yeah, so we take the game serious. Our ambition is to touch the tournament because we, from the Ikala we want to the cup. So our ambition is to get to the final and take the final.
Manzini Sundowns captain Darren Christie says any player who might not be looking forward to this match should not take part.
Everybody's motivated. If somebody's not motivated, I don't think that person should be here or that player should be here. From what I've seen since the week started, everybody's happy, everybody's ready to go, and I hope we'll make it easy. You know what I mean? But if Matsapha makes it hard and try to take us to the deep end, we're ready for that too. But I hope we make it easy, 2-0, 3-0, easy just like that.
The game will be played at Somhlolo National Stadium and will be screened live by Swazi TV from 3 p.m. on Saturday. Reporting for Swazi TV Sports, I'm Solisane Mabuza with Patizwe MCB in Babane.